You can easily connect ScreenPal to your WebEx account to edit and share your meeting recordings. To connect, click this icon in the top right corner of the ScreenPal Project Manager. Select Connect with WebEx. Select Connect with Local Recordings to import recordings from a folder on your computer. You'll want to create a specific folder for all of your WebEx recordings. Click here to change the folder location at any time. To enable editing of your cloud recordings, select Connect with Cloud Recordings to connect your WebEx account. Log into WebEx and grant access to ScreenPal. Your WebEx meeting recordings will appear as video thumbnails in the Project Manager, displayed with their original date and time. Click any WebEx thumbnail to open your recording in the video editor and enhance with arrows and shapes, rich text, video overlays, and more.